Hello everyone, how on a day? It's your boy Desiree, and in this video I will be teaching you how to change the lens of your eyes using Photoshop. So let's delve into it. So first of all, make sure your image is placed in Photoshop and make sure you downloaded the lens you'd like to use. Then you click on select to and you go to the lens you want to use. The image, then you drag it to the image. Drag it to the image, then you quickly adjust to the size of the image you want to use. Make sure it fits in properly on the eyes of your object or your subject. Okay, I think this is okay. I mean, reduce it a bit. Then you duplicate. After adjusting, make sure you duplicate and drag it to the next eye. Then you merge. After merging, you reduce the opacity. Make sure you reduce the opacity. Then you use your eraser to clean the edges. That's the unwanted part that is touching the skin. So you use eraser to clean it up. So you can still reduce the opacity if you're not okay with how it is. Yeah, I'm okay with this. So this is before and after. So this is how to change the lens of your eyes using Photoshop. So I'm not saying you should do the one that will make you look like a witch or a wizard. You get, or just know how you balance it. Thank you.